If you want to connect your SQ11 mini DV camera to your phone, start by fully charging the camera and powering it on. When it's ready, you'll usually see a flashing indicator light showing that the Wi-Fi hotspot is active. Next, download the recommended companion app, often called JXL Cam, or the app listed in your manual, from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, allow the necessary permissions. Then go into your phone's Wi-Fi settings and look for a network name related to the camera, typically something starting with SQ11 or a similar code. Connect to that network directly, since the camera creates its own hotspot. After connecting, open the app, tap Add Device or AP mode, and follow the prompts to link the camera. Some models only support 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, so make sure you're not trying to use a 5 GHz network during setup. Once connected, you should see the live preview inside the app and be able to adjust settings like recording mode, motion detection, or storage formatting.